If you want to grow a small account, here's what you need to understand. Each and every trade that you place is going to give you a 50-50 chance of either winning or losing. So the size of your winners against the size of your losers is what is going to determine if you are going to grow or if you are going to blow. Hi, this is Courage, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to grow a small account. So here's the thing. There is one big myth that keeps people from trading their small accounts correctly. And that myth is you need a perfect strategy or a specific strategy for only small accounts. To be honest with you, this is not true. The truth is, when you are trading a $10 account, you can't do proper risk management like someone who has $5,000 to trade. So for you, if you have $10 in your account, you know that you have like 3 chances to make something happen. And you also understand that it only takes 3 losses in a row to blow that account. So the only way to grow that account is to get one good trade that is going to multiply that account. For example, if you have $10 in your account, you can risk like $3 on one good trade. And if that good trade goes to win, you should let it run as much as possible. You need to make sure that you take like $15 from that $3 risk trade. You make like $15 from that trade. This way, even if you place 10 trades and you win 5 trades and you lose 5 trades, if your winners are bigger than your losses, and if your winners are multiplying your account and you cutting your losses as much early as possible, you are going to be always in profit. The reason why you are blowing your account right now is most likely that you are taking very small profits, and when the losses come, they eat up all your profits that you have made. So what do you do to get this one big trade that is gonna multiply your account? So there are many things that we agree that if we see these things in the market, there is chances of the market moving in our direction, right? So for me, I believe that if I see multiple confluences before I place a trade, that trade is gonna be a high probability trade. So what you want is to see 3 or more things that confirms that this market is likely to go in this direction before you place your actual trade. So if, for example, maybe you want to see the market in a strong trend, and also you want to see a strong support level or resistance level, and then on that support or resistance level you want to see a candlestick pattern that you can use, and then you confirm that this trade is most likely to go in my direction, because you have these 3 things confirming for you. Maybe the trend direction, the support and resistance, and the candlestick pattern, or either the chart pattern or any indicators, anything that you can combine and be confident that this is gonna be a big winning trade. The secret is when you get that big winning trade, you let that trade run and make sure that that trade is gonna multiply your account, because you have few chances with a small account. So to grow a small account, what matters most is not the strategy that you are using. What matters most is getting one big trade that doubles or triples that account. So let's say you get one good trade that can double your account. Even if you lose the next 2 trades, you just know that you want to keep your losses as small as possible. And then when that winner comes, when that big winner comes, it should cover all the losses and make even more. The reason why you are doing this is because chances of blowing are very high. So you need to make sure that the first lucky trade that you get is gonna get you out of this small account zone. You want to get to a little bit better comfort zone with one big trade. So that's how you grow your account. It's not about the strategy, it's the risk to reward ratio and the chances that you have in the market. If you want to learn a simple strategy that I use to trade my own small accounts, where I use 3 indicators to confirm the trade before I enter into the market, make sure you watch the video appearing on the screen right now, and I'm going to see you in that video. So let's go.